Hello everybody, my name is Austin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get iOS 11.3 Beta 2. So what you want to do is open Safari or Google, and then you want to type in apple.com. And after you type in apple.com, you want to type in beta. And then after you type in beta, you click on Apple Beta Software Program. And then after you do that, you want to go down to Get Started. And then you want to sign in with your Apple ID and stuff like that. I don't know what yours is. I only know mine. But anyway, you want to go down to enroll your iOS device, and then after you do that, you click download profile. And then after you do that, you want to click allow, and then click iPhone or Apple Watch, whichever one you're doing it on. And then you want to click install, and then type in your password, which mine is 00000000, and then you want to click install. And after you click install, it's going to ask you to restart your phone. You can, I've already did this, so I'm going to exit out of this and show you what it's going to look like. So after you do that, you want to go into general and then go to software update. And then you should see iOS 11.3 public beta 2. And then after you see that, you've done. So what you want to do is click download and install, which I already clicked download and install, and mine is taking about an hour. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, leave a like below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.